Brian Nagel, senior equity research analyst at Oppenheimer, covers retail, hard lines, and broad lines, joins us to discuss why he's reinstating Nike as a top pick. Good to see you, Brian. Thanks for joining us.
Well, thanks for having me. I appreciate it.
You point out you think expectations have been de-risked and that they're set to rebound gradually. What makes you think so?
Well, look, I mean, stepping back, Nike has struggled for a while here, and I think what the real positive is that you have a senior management team now that is admitting its mistakes and putting in place significant repositioning efforts. So as I think about Nike as a company going forward, I really think we are at the cusp, of a significant repositioning effort that at some juncture is going to reestablish Nike basically as the dominant athleisure brand on the planet. Now, that's the company. From a stock perspective, what can purchase me and why I decided to upgrade the stock today is we're talking to our investors. I think sentiment has got to a point where the market is now discounted for near-term choppiness. In other words, the market knows things are going to be tough here a bit longer. But as you look out over the next several quarters, I think you start seeing better results at Nike, and I think that's what's going to drive the stock higher.
So it sounds like you think the story really is about supply and innovation and management as opposed to demand changing in any way in the near term?
Well, look, I think we do have a demand issue. I've been talking we just got off of our Oppenheimer, our consumer conference. I spent a lot of time talking to a number of consumer companies. I do think there is consumer squishiness out there. What we're hearing rather consistently now is, particularly within lower middle-income shoppers, there is more hesitancy to make discretionary purchases. But for Nike, I think the primary issue has been internal, and I think the company, for a variety of reasons, just got off its innovation game. And I think that allowed other competitors to step up, maybe take some market share near term. But I think internally, I think Nike really has an opportunity to get back into product innovation, develop some great products, spur better demand.
In the scenario which you laid out in which eventually Nike reclaims the mantle as the best top-selling athletic apparel brand in the universe, does Hoka and On go away? Do they lose the share that they've gained so far? How does the competitive landscape factor into that?
Well, look, I mean, it's a great question, Melissa. So whenever I ask like that question or a question very similar to it, I remind our clients that this is a very, very big market, and frankly, a market that's expanding. I make the joke a lot. I mean, when I'm with clients now and I'm with colleagues at work, we're all wearing athletic shoes. You don't see as many loafers anymore. So the market is expanding. So the point I'm making is I think there's plenty of room for multiple successful players. Now, in my piece today, my associates did a real nice job digging into this. We don't follow On and Hoka specifically. We did look at those businesses. And the real takeaway right now is, yes, those brands are getting a lot of, they're creating a lot of buzz. There's a lot of demand for them, but they're still very small. They're very, very small. Small relative to Nike. But again, to answer your question, I think the real point is the athleisure, the footwear market is plenty big to support multiple successful companies.
Do Olympics act as a catalyst this year, Brian, or is that generally overstated, do you think?
No, I think that's a big deal. And that's, again, a lot of people ask me why now? Why upgrade Nike now? The Olympics, the timing of the Olympics are very much in my thought process. I mean, Nike, they always are a big player around the Olympics. I think they're looking at this year's games in Paris as a real opportunity to showcase a reinvigorated brand. We're starting to get some the product launches now that are coming out around the Olympics. I think the products look good, but I think the Olympics are very much a catalyst for Nike here.